Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation right here from year 2015 all the way to year 2016 and 17. If you have one of those, you need to find where your fuel injector fuses are located. You have multiple fuses that you need to check. We'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tubes, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. Why it's important to test fuses and relays, guys. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission. We show you how to do practically almost anything, guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, on Toyota Camry, guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business, guys, because otherwise, if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing, guys, if you need to buy parts, tubes, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses, guys, okay? You have different kinds of relays. You have these special fuses, by the way, that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So fuel injector fuses, where they're located, we'll demonstrate on that 2017 Toyota Camry. You guys have two different fuse boxes in this car. Today we'll be working in both of them. The first one that we need is on the driver's side. Open the driver door. Looking on the left side, okay, under the dash, above the pedals, all the way under the dash, towards the left, you will see one white cover. Open that cover and you'll see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here, guys. Now, but before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, we need to check now multiple fuses. The first fuse that you need to check is fuse number 2 right here, guys. 10M fuse that you see right here. Then we need to go, that's 3, 4, 38, I don't know why, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fuse number 12. So number 2, number 12. Then you need to find fuse number, that's 24, 23, 22 right here. All of these are for the fuel system, guys, okay? Then some specifically for the fuel injectors. 23, so 22, 23 here will need to be checked. And then you come on this side and that's 25, 6, 7, 8, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay, guys, that 7.5 M fuse here, 32 will need to be checked as well. Then you open the hood facing the engine on the right side. You have that fuse box cover here. Open it. You will see another fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. And here we'll have multiple fuses. One of them is fuse number 13 that you need to check. Right here. Fuse number 14 right next to it. Fuse number 15, 16 right here. Then you need to locate fuse number 19, which is that white fuse right here. After that you need to find fuse number 28, guys, that 30M fuse here. And next you have fuse number 29, 30, 31, 32, that 7.5 M fuse here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.